Hello everyone and welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located off 170th Street. Today I'll be showing you the 2025 NX 350 Hybrid. This model comes in eminent pearl white with sleek LED headlights and the signature spindle grille. Under the hood you have a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine delivering 240 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and responsive performance. This hybrid sits on 18-inch alloy wheels. You have your keyless entry. Throughout the door panel, you will find your memory seats, as well as controls for power windows, door locks, and side mirrors. Here you have your gas cap and trunk release, and below is a small compartment for everyday essentials. The cabin features premium black leather upholstery that adds a touch of sophistication and comfort. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with 10-way power adjustments. The sleek leather-wrapped steering wheel offers all your controls, including your power shifters for gear change. On the right, you have your buttons for cruise control and lane assist, while on the left, you have your audio control, voice recognition, and phone calls. In the center, you have your touchscreen infotainment center equipped with navigation and Bluetooth. Down below, you have some charging ports, as well as some compartment with a push to slide. Here you have the Eco Sport control to suit your driving preferences. Here you have your shifter with your park, drive mode selector, and shift lock buttons, equipped with 2 cup holders. Here you have your sunroof controls to open and close the sunroof, as well as your rearview mirror and garage setting buttons. Here you have your center console that opens both ways from the driver's seat as well as the passenger. Moving into the back, it's very spacious and comfortable for passengers. Here you have your climate vents as well as charging ports. You have an armrest for comfort as well as 2 cup holders. For added convenience, the rear seats offer a 60/40 split folding design. The back exterior is defined by its sharp LED taillights and dual exhaust. Moving along into the trunk, you can use your hands-free power liftgate or with the push of a button. The trunk itself offers a ton of cargo space. Additionally, under the trunk floor, you'll find a hidden compartment for extra storage. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton, where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.